Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start on the unlocked home screen. This immediately puts you where widgets live. Make sure your launcher is MIUI default because widgets integrate differently on third-party launchers. Once done, confirm whether you use gesture or button navigation. You'll need consistent taps or swipes. Now, long press an empty area of the home screen to reveal editing options. This first action opens the panel you need. It avoids digging through settings and puts widget controls right at your fingertips. Once the edit menu appears, tap widgets to open the picker. That's where selectable items are listed. You'll see categories or a scrollable list. Use the search if you know the app name to save time. Tap a widget to preview available sizes. MIUI often offers multiple configurations, so pick one that fits your layout. After choosing, press and hold the widget, then drag it to the desired home screen position. This drag and drop step finalizes placement and shows how it will behave. Release the widget where you want it, then adjust size if resize handles appear. This ensures content displays correctly. Once placed, tap the widget or long press it to open widget settings or quick actions so you can customize behavior and data sources. If the widget refuses to add or shows blank content, make sure the associated app has necessary permissions and that you're using the MIUI launcher. Force close the app or reboot if needed. If problems persist, remove and re-add after updating the app.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.